Write a new song?
Nah, writing a breakup letter to silence. It's been clingy lately.
You cannot break up with silence.
Watch me. I need space from the lack of sound.
My favourite? Or what I think would be your favourite if you ever give me a straight answer.
If it's not teen angst mixed with guitar solos, then it's probably not my favourite. Don't touch my setup. It's my creative battlefield.
Your creative battlefield is a fire hazard.
Rock and Roll 5's on danger.
What is that?
A vibe machine.
Like a lamp?
Like a light show for the soul. Every rock star needs one.
I'm afraid, but I'm also kind of into it. Ash, this is legitimately amazing.
It's nothing. It's just so that I can see my music when I can't play it.
No, you don't have to mute yourself. This is artistry. You are artistry.
Stop being inspirational. I'm gonna break out in hives.
You know, you could show this at the showcase.
And then what?
People could connect. People who could feel like a radio stuck between stations. They could see this and feel less alone.
Maybe.
Is that 80s rocker for yes?